Swipe, swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got our hands on one of the most anticipated Yeezy silhouette to release in a while. We got our hands on a pair of the Yeezy 450 in this cloud white colorways. I know a lot of people have been looking forward to this sneaker because we've been waiting for it for a year, and we're finally excited to have it in the closet. So we're going to be coming with some hard fits to show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, so stay tuned.
I know a lot of people are going to be interested to see how the sneaker looks on feet with multiple outfits, and ever since Kanye debuted the sneaker during Paris Fashion Week, we knew we had to add it to the collection. So make sure you guys stick around to the end of the video.
First off, the box is a lot smaller than your standard Yeezy box. It looks like a box that this foam runner or the Yeezy slides will come in, and it just says 450 at the top, like no boost in the sides. And we got a size 9. That's the size we get in every Yeezys. And we're just gonna jump right in and get the sneaker out of the box. Now, straight out of the box, the sneaker was so squished up, I thought it was a soccer cleat. I'm not gonna cap. The sneaker has no shape, like when it came from the box, so we had to throw on like a shoe tree to give it a little bit of shape. And the only structure on the sneaker is this midsole slash outsole combination, which kind of gives it a lot of structure in my opinion. And it also adds like a skeleton kind of look and like a more futuristic look in my opinion.
It really has like that exoskeleton look, also like a dinosaur kind of look with the claw. It takes a lot of design elements from multiple other Yeezy silhouettes like the 350s, the 500s, but it takes it to a whole nother level with this aggressive design that grips the upper. Now the prime knit on this sneaker has slight variations when it comes to color. For example, the back portion is more of like a tan slash off-white color, whereas the rest of the sneaker is more of a creamish color. I love the aggressive design that this sneaker gives off. It really has that organic slash alien look, which I noticed the recent Yeezys have been having nowadays.
One obscure detail on this Yeezy 450 is this back portion. It doesn't really have a heel counter, which is kind of weird. It just has prime knit, but the prime knit is a little bit thicker and is reinforced inside with foam, so I guess it gives it a little bit of structure.
Now when it comes down to sizing, since the sneaker has this sock-like fit and the upper is made out of prime knit, you're definitely gonna have to go upper half the size, because since it has this claw-like feature which grabs the upper, it's gonna make the sneaker very restricted and narrow on feet. So I would suggest going up a full size since the sneaker doesn't have half sizes. We decided to go true to size because we just like the sneaker to fit more snug on feet.
Since it has this claw-like design feature with the midsole and outsole combination, you would think it's very rigid and unstable on feet, but surprisingly it's very comfortable because it has that algae-like material that the foam runners are made out of. And I think that material is very comfortable, so this sneaker is going to be very comfortable on feet. One thing I love about Kanye West and Adidas is they've been pushing out new innovative designs on new silhouettes, which pushes the envelopes on how sneakers should look in the future.
These designs really sets the standard on how streetwear and fashion is going to look moving forward. For example, this sneaker has a very polarizing look, which some people are not going to like. It's the same thing with the foam runners. A lot of people didn't like the foam when it came out, but some people are starting to warm up to it. When it comes down to style on this sneaker, I think since it has a very aggressive look, it's really going to go well with athleisure or like a combat military kind of look, work wear. It's really going to like elevate the sneaker and make it look really cohesive with the outfit.
And you can also draw inspiration from Kanye West because he rocks a sneaker with a more dystopian kind of look with more washed out materials, leather pants, which also gives it like a punk rock look, and it's gonna make the sneaker really drip on feet. And guys, we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. We picked up the sneaker to try for ourselves and we're loving it so far. There's a second colorway supposedly releasing, the black pair. More people are more drawn to that colorway, but I'm personally thinking this one was the best colorway yet, and we'll wait to see what's going to come out in the future. Before we show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, please guys, go ahead and leave a like on this video because it really helps the channel. It helps us know that you guys like these type of videos and it helps the channel grow. Please guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so we get notified when we drop a new video.
And guys, make sure you go ahead and drop down in the comments and let us know if you guys are really messing with this Yeezy 450 cloud white colorway, or you guys are looking forward to like that black pair that is releasing later on in the year. And until then guys, we'll see you guys on the next video.